Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Tundra starter. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical hazards. Next, ensure you have all the right tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and extensions, ready for the job. Finally, take a moment to locate the starter motor, typically found on the passenger side of the engine, before you begin any disassembly. Once your Tundra is safely elevated on jack stands, you can begin to access the starter. You might need to remove some components, such as a skid plate or exhaust pipe, to create enough space. Carefully disconnect the main power wire from the starter, usually a large cable, followed by the smaller solenoid wire. Remember to keep track of all removed bolts and parts for reassembly. With the wires disconnected, proceed to unbolt the starter from its mounting points. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place. Once unbolted, carefully maneuver the old starter out of the engine bay, which can sometimes be a tight squeeze. Now, position your new starter into place, ensuring it aligns correctly with the bolt holes, and then secure it tightly with the mounting bolts. After the new starter is bolted in, reconnect the main power wire and the solenoid wire, ensuring they are snug and secure. Then, reattach any components you removed for access, like the skid plate. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before you celebrate, give your Tundra a test start to confirm everything is working perfectly. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic smart speaker deals and other helpful resources. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.